Hello, my name is Daisuke Yanagimoto, charging of overseas sales in Echotech. This is the second episode of making IT government prefectural building. If you don't watch the episode 1, please watch that episode first. In first episode, we use the Ultrasonic cutter Z091 model, but for this episode, we would use this Z095 model, which is the professional model of ultrasonic cutter. Both models are made for a hobby use, but this Z095 model is used by modelers who use for real car and medical institutions and fire walkers. It's used by variety of industries. It's powerful and it could use for a long time the Z091 model. So cut off each parts from runner. Make this section so clean with devouring this ultrasonic cutter. Set the top of the part on main building. Big part. It must be a roof part. Okay, I was trying to assemble these parts, this rooftop on this main building like this, but it doesn't go easily because there are so many small pillars set on this main building, and it's supposed to be set on each small holes on this rooftop. It's hard to match each small pillars and holes in same time. And what I had ideas from our Instagram account is that we could use our ultrasonic cutter to cut off some of small pillars set on this building and remain 2 or 3 pillars, and it will be easier to assemble each parts. If you're facing difficulty for assembling parts, you could use that technique. Last part to cut. Ta-da! Finished! I thought I already finished cutting all the parts, but I forget the one more part that... These parts. You know what is it? You will know it. So this is the IT Prefecture government building. This is the entrance. You could see this small brown part. This is the people, which I cut in last. As you can see, this cracked part, I broke this small entrance part applying too much power. And later, I used the ultrasonic cutter to weld a broken part to connect again. Angle front side. This is the back. The ceiling parts look so real. And who could guess this, that this model could be a saving box. Insert coin from this small hole. And when you take your money, you could take this lid and take coin from here. Thank you very much for watching. It totally takes about an hour to make up this classic model. I just simply cut off each part from runner and assemble. And it doesn't need any high techniques or skills for making these classic models. So for all beginner modelers who are gonna start your modeling life, I recommend you to start from making this model. And for all modelers who wants to improve your modeling skills, I recommend you to get our ultrasonic cutter, especially for ZL95 model, which is professional model. So thank you very much for watching again, and for all followers who gave us advice to improve our modeling skills and quality. We will keep upload videos of making plastic models, maybe cooperated by Finemolds again. So we hope you to keep check our YouTube account or other SNS accounts. So thank you very much.